we have learned how to find a percent increase and a percent decrease. So now we're going to apply those to our world of economics. A discount is a decrease, or maybe I should say a percent decrease in the original price of an item. So what happens is a store has something that just won't move. And they decide that it won't move because it's priced too high. So they put it on sale, and now they have a buyer. By the way, just for the record, some of the problems that you will see have the phrase on sale. This is not to be confused with just the idea of something being for sale. If something is for sale, it means someone's willing to sell it to you at a full value. However, if something is on sale, it means that it has been discounted. On the other hand, we have markups. A markup is what happens when you buy something or a store buys something from a supplier. They then open it up, realize we can turn this into more money by improving those items that we just bought. So, to make a profit, stores charge more than what they pay. The percent increase from what the store pays to the selling price is called a markup. There's also two other ways to have a percent increase as well. Sales tax is a percent increase, and that's done to a bill that goes to the state. And then state sales tax is used to provide for education, transportation, and healthcare. A tip is another form of percent increase, and it is added onto a bill, and that goes to supplement the income of someone who's providing a service, like waiters, cab drivers, movers, barbers, hairdressers, bellboys, and basically any service industry that you can think of where someone goes out of their way and performs an exceptional job to help you out. So, let's take a look at some problems. We're going to bring back the use of our tic-tac-toe board to help us to organize things. And we'll find a sale price. A sale price is always a new price. Sale price is always a new price. So here we have the original price of a video game is $35. We'll label that O for the moment to remind us that it's original. The game is discounted 25% off. Well, we know that the 25% off is a change. And discount means that we're going to subtract. What's the sale price? So I'm going to draw up my little box. Original, change, and new. The original is $35. This spot right here, that's always 100% because the original is always 100%. So then we're changing 25%, and we want to know this unknown new value. Well, before we knew two values in two rows. Right now we only know two values in one row. So we need to find another row value. Well, we'll do that by taking 100 and subtracting 25. That gives us 75. Thus, we will proceed to ignore the middle row, pretend it's not there, and we're going to do our cross multiplication through that middle row. So we have 35 times 75, which is 2,625, and then 100x. We divide both sides by 100, and x is 26.25. Now, one thing to make mention of here is the fact that that 26.25 comes from this middle column. This middle column is always money. The middle column is always money. This third column is always percents. So that means that this is $26.25. And that is the sale price of a video game that originally cost $35 but is put on sale for 25% off. So let's do this again, but this time we'll find the original price. A pair of soccer cleats were discounted 40%. This is a percent change, and we got it by, well, we're going to subtract it from the original cost. So now lets you know that this is a new price. They now cost $33. What was the original price? So again, we draw out our box, O, C, and N. We don't know the original price, but we know the original percent is 100. We know that we have a percent change of 40, and then we know that the new price of the shoes is $33. We need this box right here. So we go 100 minus 40, which gives us 60. Again, we're subtracting because this is a discount. We remove the middle box, and we're going to cross multiply. So we get our cross products, 60x and 3300. We divide both sides by 60 so that we can solve our equation, and x is 55. We look, it's in the middle column, so that means it's money, so our answer is $55. One last example, we have the markup. A store pays $70 for a bicycle. What is the selling price when the markup is 20%? So I'm going to walk through this backwards here. We know that this is a percent change, and we know that markups are added to the original amount. So we look at this selling price. Selling price is what's going to be new. It's what you're going to be charged, whereas this is what the store was charged, $70. So that's the original price. So here we go. Original, change, and new. Original is 70. We don't know the new price. Original percentage is always 100, and then we have a 20% markup. This time we add, because we always add our markups. So 100 plus 20 is 120. We again can remove the middle row, and what we're left with then is the cross products of 70 and 120 and 100 and x. So we have 70 times 120 is 8,400, and that equals 100x. We divide both sides by 100, and x equals 84. I'm looking for an answer in the middle column, so that deals with money, so that's $84. Now, with this, you could still be asked to find a percent change, a dollar amount for change. You could be asked to find a percent change. Lots of things could happen. So for instance, if someone said, hey, well, how much did the company profit? You go 84 minus 70. And then you'd find out that it's a $14 profit. Or in the prior problem, if you needed to know, hey, how much money are we putting these soccer cleats on sale for, you could go on 55 minus 33 to tell you that it's a $22 discount. So all these things can be filled in, this whole box can be filled in and actually present you with valuable information. In your assignment today that you will have attached, you will find a couple things. Number one, through numbers 1 through 4 are going to ask you to find a sale price or selling price, so you're looking for N. Numbers 5 through 8 are asking you to find an original price, so you're looking for O. And numbers 9 through 12 are asking you to find the percent change. This is just like what we've been doing. So this is just percent increase and decrease. Don't overthink this, and you'll do fine. All right, thanks very much. Bye.